Now we're going to talk about shading a cylinder. Shading means filling it in with the proper values. Remember, values mean light, the highlight, the midtones, and the shadows. So for all of my cylinders, I want the light to be coming from this direction. It's very important to know where your light is coming from when you begin to shade. If the light is shining here, this is going to be the brightest part, which makes the opposite side in the shadow. Let's do it. I'm using the side of my charcoal. I'm pressing firmly to fill it in. Now, shadows change into highlights. On a curved surface, they will change slowly. So I'm going to start filling in with more charcoal, but I'm going to press lighter. Rarely are things in life bright white. So I'm going to cover up even the part with the highlight. If I want it lighter later, I'll add more light with my eraser. Now, on the edge of my cylinder, there's going to be a little bit of a block here where the light won't quite shine so well on this part. Over here, the light will reach easier. So I'm actually going to make this side of the ellipse darker, only a little, than the other side. And we have shaded our cylinder. It's not perfect, nor does it have to be. I'm going to begin blending in the lightest spot first with my finger and just gently filling it in. Good. Again, the lighter side. Don't worry if some of your marks are being erased because this is the process. They're not gone completely, but they are softer, aren't they? It makes it look more real. Now, I have my kneaded eraser. I'm gonna add some highlights. I know my lightest parts are gonna be here for the top, since the light is kind of shooting across this way. I'm gonna bring in a little bit of light. You guys do the same, okay? And then here on this side, again, I know this really is getting direct light. Pretty cool. It almost looks like a cup, don't you guys think? Since I see a cup, I'm gonna go ahead and make mine even more contrasted. Brighter here, like the light's shining inside, and darker over here, like it can't reach in this part. Yours doesn't have to be a cup. Yours can have a flat top. To make it flat, well, let's do it. I'll make it flat again. It will be almost all one color. So I'm gonna fill it in like this. Add back to that shadow that I erased, and then just gently, maybe tapping with my eraser to get as little charcoal off as possible. Just kind of lighten that up a little. There. Now it's back to flat. Pretty cool stuff.